Hey there, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how one publisher is making $2,849 per day. That's right, per day, publishing the most simple coloring books that you're ever gonna see. In fact, these are so simple that you can have them up on Amazon KDP tomorrow if you started today. And I'm also going to show you exactly how this publisher is making this type of income and exactly what they're doing to get their books sold. So if you're a beginner looking to make an income online, or you're just wanting to add another stream of income, or you're looking for a new niche to get into, well, then this video is for you. But before that, hey guys, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. And right now we're talking about low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. So if this sounds interesting to you, feel free to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. So if we go to Amazon and do a search for bold and easy coloring books, this is where this publisher's books are going to show up. But before we even look through this page, let's go do some niche validation. So typically how I like to do niche validation is by following 3 rules. Number 1 is the search results. I like to look for about 1,000 and below. Number 2 is going to be the competition. I like to look for 3 books that rank under 300,000 BSR or best sellers rank. And then number 3 is the niche score. And I like to look for a niche score of 50 and above. So we can see first off with the search results, there's over 2,000. So it is a little bit higher than what I'd like, but it's actually not that bad. If you were to niche down a little bit further, you could get these search results down. And then with the niche score, we have an 82. So that's above the 50. And where I get this plugin is actually from the Chrome Web Store. And it's a tool called Self-Publishing Titans. They have 2 free tools that you can go ahead and download if you want to have the same type of information that I'm seeing on my screen. So it can give you a little bit more information on niche research as well as keyword research. So if we scroll down, we're going to see a bunch of books here that are ranking below the 300,000 BSR. We have one right here, which this is actually the book that we're talking about. You're going to see very similar books like this because this is part of the publisher's series. So these next 4 books are all part of this publisher's series. You can see their rankings are very, very low. So this is what we're going to talk about today. We're going to go through these types of books, the interiors, as well as show you how much each of these books are making. But as you can see, there's quite a lot of demand in this niche, and there's a lot of copycats already that are trying to get in on the action. Some of them are actually doing quite well, like this book right here. You can see they have a similar design and they're going to have a similar interior. But the difference between these books and the ones that we're talking about today is how this publisher is actually getting clicks to their books and making these sales. So if we look at the series, we start off with this Woodland Escape coloring book. They have a Sweethearts coloring book, an Ocean Oasis coloring book, a Mandala coloring book, Food and Snacks coloring book, and this On the Farm coloring book. So with this Woodland Escape coloring book, you're going to see that these images are actually quite simple, very easy, and also very easy to create. And there's a couple ways to actually go about creating this type of interior, which I'm going to go through in this video, so stick around for that. If we look at the next book, this Sweethearts coloring book, we can see it has a 2,169 BSR. And if we look at the sample, we're going to see that it has a very similar feel and design. As you can see, the images are very simple and actually very easy to create or to get done for you. If we check this next book, the Ocean Oasis coloring book with the #1 bestseller badge, we can see that it has a 2002 BSR. And if we check the interior, we're going to see once again, it has a very similar feel, very similar look, just different types of images for a different type of customer. Now this Mandala coloring book has a 13,284 BSR. Let's check the interior and you're going to see that it has a very similar feel as the other ones. They're just mandala coloring patterns. Now this is the publisher's best selling book. It has a ranking of 195 and it is a food and snacks coloring book. If we take a look inside, you're going to see it's just the same type of feel as the other books, just filled with foods. And finally, the last book of their series is this On the Farm coloring book. It has a ranking of 4,578. And if we look inside, we're going to see the same thing, similar type of design. Now, if we were to take this On the Farm coloring book, take its BSR and put it into a sales calculator to see how much it's estimated to be making, we're going to see that it makes about 47 sales per day. That equates to 1,410 sales per month. And in actual dollar terms, that's $198 per day, or about $5,958 per month. So I actually did all the calculations for all 6 of these books to see how much this publisher is making. And it's actually pretty insane. So with the first book that we looked at, it has a BSR of 1,883, price point of $9.99, 79 pages, which equates to these sales. But more importantly, the daily royalties is $357 per day. And that's about $10,724 per month from one book. We have 5 more to go, guys. So the next book that had a BSR of 2,169 has a little bit of a cheaper price point at $7.99. As you can see, the profit per book is slightly lower at $2.64. As you can see, it produces $219 in daily royalties, which is $6,583 per month. Now, with the third book that we looked at with a 2002 BSR ranking, the price is $9.96 with 79 pages and a profit of $3.83 per book. Now, this gives it 89 sales per day, which is about 2,670 sales per month, which is similar to the other 2 books here. And that gives it a daily royalty of $340 per day, which equates to $10,215 per month in pure profits. So we're nearing $30,000 already just from 3 books. Now, the next book has a BSR of 13,284. This is the highest BSR in the group. It has a $9.99 price point with 129 pages. So that's about $3.60 profit per book. That gives it 20 sales per day, 600 sales per month, equates to $71 per day and $2,157 per month, which is the lowest of the group. But you're going to see with this book number 5 that it's the best-selling book, has a BSR of 195, a price point of $9.99, 80 pages with a profit per book of $3.84. So it's seeing 433 sales per day, which is 12,990 sales per month. And that equates to $1,664 per day. That's per day, with a monthly royalty from this book alone of just under $50,000. So to finish it out, the last book, ranking of 4,578, price point of $11, 127 pages, with the highest profit per book, $4.23. It has about 47 sales per day, 1,410 sales per month, with a daily royalty of $198 per day and a monthly royalty of $5,958 per month. So total, this publisher is seeing $2,849 per day in royalties and $85,570 per month in pure profit. And if that's not going to get you excited to start publishing on Amazon KDP, I don't know what will. You might be thinking that these books were published years ago. They've been established. They have reviews. They have rankings. They have all this and all that. But that is not the case. As you can see, this book was published November 26, 2023 of just last year. If we go to the next book, you're going to see that it was published December 4, 2023. The next book, December 13, 2023. The next book, December 15, 2023. The book after that, January 19 of this year, 2024. And then the last book in the series, March 6, which is just last month. So yes, it's still possible to be making this type of income on Amazon KDP, but I'm going to show you exactly what this publisher is doing to get these books sold and to be making this type of income. So here we are on TikTok of all places, and this is the publisher's TikTok page. And as you can see, judging by the videos that she has posted, especially this one with 7 million views, this is how she's getting the initial traffic to her books. If we look at her best-selling book, the Food and Snacks Coloring Book, she'll flip through the pages of the interior that's already done and colored so you can get an idea of what it could look like after you finish coloring. But keep in mind, these books come in black and white, but she's just showing this off on her TikTok page so that you can see what it would look like when it's all said and done. As you can see by all the likes and the comments and the bookmarks, this video has gone super viral, over 7 million views. We have another one here, 4 million views. And then if we scroll down her page, every single video has thousands and thousands of views, with some reaching over hundreds of thousands, and then some obviously getting over millions of views. So this is what publishers are doing these days. Instead of just relying on Amazon and maybe even getting seen on Google, they'll go ahead and set up a TikTok page or an Instagram page or something with social media and try to market their books on there, hoping that maybe one of their videos will go viral. And if you get lucky, maybe a lot of your videos will go viral. If we check out her link in bio, we can see here are the links for the physical coloring books as well as her Amazon storefront. So if we go ahead and click right here, it takes us to all of her coloring books, including the ones that we just looked at. So this is how you know this is the publisher. And because she's using TikTok and have gotten some videos to go super viral, as well as she's still publishing videos, it's gonna keep these books BSRs very, very low for as long as she keeps producing content. Now, from what I know, this publisher actually draws these interiors herself. But if you didn't want to do that, you don't have the artistic capacity to draw, you don't have the time, well, there are a couple ways that you can go about this in producing these interiors. One of the ways is you can use Creative Fabrica to find these types of interiors. So here I am, I searched up easy under the category of kids coloring pages and books. And if we take a look around, we can see that there are some images here that could potentially work for this type of book. For example, here are some easy type of graphics that could possibly work if you wanted to create this type of book. All you would have to do is download the PNG file and then take the individual images and put it on its own interior page. You could also use something like this, where these are the simple foods, and upload these as pages for your book. And another thing that you can do is you can mix and match graphics as you are trying to create the interior pages. Another way to create these type of interiors is by using AI. So you can use whichever one you want, like Midjourney. But if we go back to Creative Fabrica, we can see that we can actually choose AI content when we search through its database. And so if we scroll down, looking at some of these, which were actually created by AI, we can see there are some images here that might actually work for this type of coloring book. We can see this princess image right here that actually has a similar feel to the books that we've been looking at. And then if we actually go through Creative Fabrica's community pages, we can see all of the coloring pages that people have created using different prompts. And if we just take a look through these as an example, we can see that with a little bit of tweaking with the prompt, that we could probably get something that we're looking for. For example, here is a basic outline of an apple. And this is very similar to the types of coloring pages that we've seen in that best-selling book. Now, if you don't want to do any of that, you don't have the time, or maybe you just want to pay someone to get it done, you can use a service like Fiverr. So if we do a search for kids coloring page, we can see all the gigs that will actually do this for us. So for example, I actually like this one right here. We can see how simple these images are by this seller. And I'm sure that if you gave her some instructions on how to create the type of images that you're looking for, I am sure this seller can probably get that created for you. And as we can see, one coloring page here is $10. So it can get quite expensive because you'll need around 40 to 50 images. So judging by this, 40 images is going to be $400. You could get 10 pages for $90 and have a little bit of a discount, but this is still going to be expensive. But this is one way that you could go about it. You can also search for someone cheaper here. So let's go with this gig. And this one starts at half the price, $5 for one coloring page. So for about $200, you could get 40 pages. And I know that might seem like a lot of money, but judging by how much we know these type of books can make, I'm willing to take that risk, because after my book is done and completed and uploaded onto KDP, I'm gonna go ahead and start a TikTok page and start creating content just like this publisher to try and see if I can get traffic to my books and get them their best sellers badge, which hopefully I can even get a tiny portion of what this publisher is receiving. Now, if this isn't something that you're interested in and you want to find something else, well, go ahead and check out my 10 easy KDP niche ideas to easily make $100 per day to find something that you might like. Well, there you have it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and hopefully you're able to implement it into your low and medium content publishing on Amazon KDP. If you have any questions, let me know down below and I'll make sure to answer them. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.